Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to 1v1 with a friend here in CS2. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and go to play right here at the top. Okay, now go ahead and find a workshop map. Okay, just click on it, and once done, go ahead and click on visit workshop. And here, let's go and find the map where we can easily 1v1. Okay, you don't want to play around with the normal map in here, but if you want to as well, you can go ahead and choose Mirage or whatever map you wanted and play 1v1 and just meet on one site. Okay, you can do that as well. Now in here, I'm just going to go ahead and select maybe this map right here, Op Lego 2. Okay, just click on the plus sign, wait for it. As you can see here, it says you are now subscribed to this item. You can now go ahead and close this one. Close, and here we have the workshop map. Now all you need to do next is just invite the specific player or friend. Just hit on invite, and once they joined your lobby, you can now go ahead and hit on play right here. Hit on go, casual or competitive, go, wait for it, or wait for the workshop map to open. And then once that's done, go ahead and pick whether you're a terrorist or counter-terrorist. And your friend should choose counter-terrorist, okay? That is how you play 1v1 with a friend here in Counter-Strike 2. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.